Hey there, Bruno here from Landbot. Today, I'll be giving you 5 tips and tricks that will improve your bot building experience. So, let's go! First one, when building bots, you have to understand certain things. First of all, your canvas is infinite. When dragging blocks, it expands. So don't stay in a corner, make it big. Another thing is that the flow is something linear. When you create a new block, the arrow has to be connected to it in order to show up. If not, the block will not be part of the flow and won't be triggered. Even with blocks that the user does not see, like integrations, formulas, etc. Second tip, if you need to create a new block between two already created ones, you can hover over the arrow and click on the Add button. Here, you can choose between adding a goal or any other block. This way, you don't have to go to the menu and search for the block. Third tip, a block can be created anywhere on the canvas when dragging the arrow on it. This way, your menu will open up, where you have all the blocks, as question blocks, integrations, etc. So you don't have to use the left side panel to search for blocks. Fourth tip, bricks.
Bricks?
Yeah, bricks. They are used to organize your canvas. You can group different blocks into one brick. This way you don't get confused with arrows and blocks. And finally, fifth tip, you can use shortcuts when building your bots. You will find them by clicking on this keyword button inside the builder. And that was it. Those were 5 tips and tricks that will help you get better at bot building. I'm Bruno, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.